1.2 About Us. Revenue Scotland was established in 2015 by the Revenue Scotland and Tax Powers Scotland Act 2014, and is the tax authority responsible for the collection and management of devolved taxes in Scotland. At present, these taxes are Land and Buildings Transaction Tax, LBTT, which is a tax on commercial and residential property, and Scottish Landfill Tax, SLFD, which is tax on the disposal of rubbish and waste in landfill sites. We undertake compliance activity to ensure that the right amount of tax is paid. In the future, Revenue Scotland will be responsible for the collection and management of air departure tax, which will replace air passenger duty. Once a new date is agreed between the UK Government and Scottish Government for its introduction. To ensure that the administration of tax is independent and impartial, Revenue Scotland is directly accountable to the Scottish Parliament, rather than to Scottish ministers. We have a board of 5 non-executive directors, who are not responsible for the day-to-day running of Revenue Scotland, are responsible for the strategic direction, oversight and governance of Revenue Scotland. The board is supported by an Audit and Risk Committee and a Staffing and Equalities Committee. The money we collect is transferred to the Scottish Government through the Scottish Consolidated Fund. Fund operated by the Scottish Parliament and used to fund public services for the benefit of everyone in Scotland, for example, through the provision of health and education services, housing and transport infrastructure. Revenue Scotland provides information and guidance on our website and tax calculators to help taxpayers and their agents work out how much tax is due. We also have a helpline and can provide an opinion, advice, guidance and information on specific cases in certain circumstances.